wiki.easybid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybid presents the 7 best marble rolling pins. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the unusual design of the greenco 0553 features stationary ergonomic handles fixed to the stone, so they spin along with the cylinder. The wooden cradle is nearly the same length as the body and supports it securely. It's good quality for the price, but it is heavier than other models, and some find it awkward to use. At number 6, extra large handles on the sturdy Creative Home Deluxe help to minimize hand and wrist fatigue. The 4.5-pound weight can flatten bread dough with minimal pushing, and the 8 natural finishes available include green, mocha, and champagne. These are crafted by hand, and the wood is protected with a lacquer. However, the quality control is inconsistent. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the RSVP International measures 10 inches long and weighs 5.5 pounds. While there is a typical wooden-handled version, the more interesting choice is the dark grey one that's among the few to include a matching stone stand. This one works well in large hands and is also useful for crafting with clay, but the chilled metal can be awkward to grip. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for marble rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, ideal for single-serving pizzas, the double-sided Norpro 3075 is lighter than traditional models and can roll pie crust or shortbread neatly into the corners of pans. One roller measures 4 inches while the other is 2.5, and the smaller one is tapered. It's equipped with a strong stainless steel frame, and the compact size makes storage easy. It's light enough for kids to use. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the naturally non-stick Kota Japan Premium weighs just over 3 pounds, comes in 2 colors and looks like modern art. The double-sided wooden base flips over to hold a phone or tablet, so you can look at recipes while you work. It's dishwasher safe, and matching pastry slabs are also available. It's backed by an unconditional lifetime warranty. At number 2, the Streamlined cozymat stone is a one-piece French-style model with a barrel that measures a foot long. Because it weighs only 3 pounds, it's lighter than many, making it a nice choice for those who have trouble with heavy lifting in the kitchen. The base can serve as a phone stand, and the cradle is made from acacia wood. It comes with a dough scraper. And taking the top spot on our list, made of highly polished stone with narrowed ends, the Fox Run Black French is 12 inches long with a 2-inch diameter. Many find the tapered design makes it easier to feel the dough and bring it to a more consistent thickness. It's also available in white and great for light-colored fondant. The base doesn't take up much room. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for marble rolling pins, or simply click beneath this video.